Are you tired of sending plain text messages on WhatsApp? Do you want to add some flair to your messages? Well, you can do so by writing crossed-out messages in WhatsApp. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Firstly, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Step 2. Go to the chat you want to send a message to navigate to the chat where you want to send your crossed-out message. Step 3. Type in your message. Type in the message you want to send as you normally would. Step 4. Insert the tilde symbol. To cross out a part of your message, insert the tilde symbol, tilde, before and after the text you want to cross out. For example, if you want to cross out the word example, type it like this: example. Step 5. Send the message. Once you've inserted the tilde symbols, WhatsApp will recognize it as a crossed-out font and modify the text accordingly. Now, you can send the message as you normally would. Pro tip: you can also use this feature to add emphasis to your text or to indicate sarcasm. Conclusion: writing crossed-out messages in WhatsApp is a fun way to add some personality to your messages. It's a quick and easy process that anyone can do. By following these simple steps, you can impress your friends and family with your new texting skills. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.